Hello, my name is Taylor and I'm a sales inspector with Master Services. Today we're in Knoxville, Tennessee and we're taking care of a moldy crawl space. The reason crawl spaces have these issues is because they have their AC ducts down there and that cools the crawl space down. With the open vents around, it draws that hot, humid Tennessee air in and creates condensation. This crawl space also has a very poor vapor barrier, allowing all the vapor from the earth to evaporate up into the house. So what you'll see under here is not only mold on the joists, but also mold on the insulation. So the first step is to get down there and clear out all the debris. So we'll go in every corner, get blocks, trash, organic material, and we'll pull that out. The second step is to pull out all that moldy insulation. What the crew will do is they'll pull that insulation down, they'll roll it up in that old nasty vapor barrier, and they'll drag it out. They'll then go in and they will blast the joists off. The way that works is they have an air compressor and they dump a soda medium into a hopper. They will then go down and literally go up and down each joist and blast the mold off. We got clean joists and a nice clean space for this homeowner to experience for years to come. Again, this is Taylor Benson with Master Services. Have a wonderful day.